Today I am reviewing the BISSELL Little Green Mini Deep Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner is a highly versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed to tackle tough stains and everyday messes, making it a must-have for every home, car, or pet owner. From the moment you pick it up, you can tell that this is a thoughtfully designed, portable machine that combines power, convenience, and effective cleaning in a compact package. Its tea green design is fresh and modern, and despite its small size, it is surprisingly powerful, able to clean deep into carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces with ease. One of the most appealing aspects of the BISSELL Little Green Mini is its commitment to making a difference with every purchase. With every unit sold, BISSELL supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping to save pets in need. This adds a meaningful purpose to your purchase, knowing that your investment is not only keeping your home clean, but also helping animals in need. This cleaner is designed to save your sanctuary by tackling spills, pet stains, and everyday messes while also removing dander, dust, and pollen allergens. This makes it an excellent choice for households with pets, children, or anyone sensitive to allergens. The powerful spray, scrub, and suction functions work together to lift embedded dirt and stubborn stains from a variety of surfaces including carpets, rugs, car interiors, upholstery, pet beds, and more. This versatility makes it far more than just a carpet cleaner. It is a complete portable cleaning solution. The BISSELL Little Green Mini comes with several tools and features that make it exceptionally user-friendly. It includes a 4-inch tough stain tool with a removable lens, which allows for precise cleaning on small areas or concentrated stains. The HydroRinse self-cleaning hose tool ensures that maintenance is simple and convenient, preventing residue buildup inside the cleaner and making cleanup after use effortless. Additionally, the unit comes with an 8-ounce bottle of the BISSELL Little Green Formula, which is specially formulated to instantly and permanently remove stains while eliminating everyday household odors, leaving surfaces fresh and clean. Portability and storage are key advantages of the Little Green Mini. Its compact design allows it to be stored easily in small spaces, making it perfect for cabinets, closets, or even the trunk of your car. Despite its small footprint, it is powerful enough to handle tough cleaning jobs quickly and efficiently. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, and the lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver across different surfaces and angles, including stairs, car interiors, and tight corners. In summary, the BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner combines compact size, powerful cleaning, and versatile functionality in a way that few other portable cleaners can match. It is perfect for tackling stubborn stains, maintaining a clean home, and keeping vehicles fresh and spotless. Its thoughtful design, combined with effective tools like the tough stain brush and HydroRinse self-cleaning hose, make it a practical and reliable choice for anyone seeking a deep cleaning solution in a small, portable package. Whether you're dealing with pet messes, accidental spills, or everyday dirt, the BISSELL Little Green Mini ensures your surfaces are clean, fresh, and allergen-free, all while supporting a meaningful cause with every purchase.